Barangay Ginebra is on a two-game roll and would like to stay in the hunt for a prime playoff position. Rain or shine stands in their way here tonight.
Tenorio, Scottie Thompson. Over to the rain or shine side, nandiyan din si Norbert Torres. Hinintay niya si Brownlee just to be able to set up the offense. Hinintay din niya ang kanyang big man na si Greg Slaughter.
Good cut
And
by
then look at
Thompson.
that cut.
Yep.
Ganda naman. Barangay Ginebra so far, they have scored 4 baskets. 3 of them coming from assists.
And here-
Sinasabi natin about unselfish basketball ng Ginebra.
And claims a rebound.
Only one shot attempt there for rain or shine.
And the quick rush by Brownlee. And this is put himself in the air.
Is that they're forcing or they're making rain or shine trying to beat them one-on-one. Rain or shine is not passing that ball around. Meanwhile,
Love affair with the Ginebra fans. A high lob pass is read.
interception right there by Scottie Thompson as JB Mocam was even nakikita ni Brownlee.
Kinabot kay Capiral. Downstairs we go!
Scottie Thompson, he was open.
Oh,
finding
ano
space
ginagawa?
inside, getting the space.
Capiral from 10. Yes! 86. Bo Belga is waiting in the wings. The drive by Mogan, stripped up possession. Pringle pushes hard. Here comes De La Cruz. He will float with that left-handed stab.
I think Arthur De La Cruz has also played a key role here.
Other lakas mo batid sa inyo ng New Cobra Vitamin C lakas at proteksyon. Cobra ang number 1 corner. Libre 3. Yeah! And listen to this crowd roar!
Scottie Thompson with 11 points.
Scottie Thompson with some key back plays plus that huge basket at the end. And that'll do it for us.
Their average of 109.
This is going to be a win for Barangay Ginebra. They will now make it 3 in a row.